All right, so what I got here is I got a Gamo Varmint. It was originally a spring-powered gun and coil, and what I did is I converted it over to a gas ram that I purchased from Australian Air, I believe it was called. Um, so what I did is I did a few tests, and the gun is shooting very well. I'm impressed. I've got gust of wind, probably picking up about 2 to maybe 5 miles an hour, but in between the gust, I'm getting a really um, nice groupings. I mean, literally, that pallet that I have set up there is about 33 yards away, and I'm putting them in about the size of a dime pretty easily, as long as it stays nice and calm. I just did a quick test, and right here was my shot string that I set up. My low was 925, the high was 932, average was 928. Uh, your extreme spread was at a 6.5. The standard deviation was only at 2.2. That's very consistent, actually. Not bad. It can shoot. It can shoot quite well, actually. So, if any of you guys got a Gamo Varmint series, just get a really good scope. I mean, I've got a cheapy scope on here. It's just a UTG that I picked up. It's an AccuShot, but it holds up really well. Surprisingly, not bad. I mean, for what I'm doing out here, it does a great job. But other than that, if you guys ever got the time you want to experiment with something like that, um, try out the nitro piston or gas ram. It's not bad. It's nice and smooth, really quiet. I've got some. I got a Virock and another Air Arms that I shoot every now and again. It does a phenomenal job with just a spring powered piston uh, coil, that is. But if you ever get a chance, you want to tinker around with something, the damn thing shoots. It shoots very well. I was impressed. But anyhow, that's just my 2 cents on the bit. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. I post a few videos here and there on YouTube, so if you want to take a look, you can. But anyhow, there you have it. Have a good one.